Hello everyone, welcome to all of you. In this video lesson you will learn WordPress general reading settings. The main front page display setting is a feature where you can what content appears on your blog as a front page. Let me show you what is that and how you can do it. Just log into your WordPress admin panel of your website. As you are seeing over here, the left side dashboard, just go to settings and click over the general button over there. As you are seeing over here, this is a site title. Let me I show you what is that and where you can see. This is, as you are seeing, my new theme design. You can change it, rename it, edit it as per your need. So let me I show you how you can this. Just I type it hello everyone in my site title, and just I am, as you are seeing, changing the tagline. This is change and save it. So just now you see what reflect has been changed, what come out. As you see, the top of the hi everyone has been changed, and this is change tagline. So this is a very basic WordPress address. You can define it as you are seeing over here, the URL of your WordPress address, site address. Basically this is the same thing, but sometime you are defining in another pattern. This is the email address. Okay, let me check out the anyone can register. If you on this membership, so anyone can register over there. There is no need to make on any special arrangement for that. You can define a role of your subscriber. You just in this case I check off. You can define as a time zone. As you are seeing there are different countries: Australia, America, Kuwait, Kathmandu. So you can define as an date formats also. As you are seeing here, April 7th, define as an month, year or something, and just save it and reload it and refresh it. So as you are seeing, there is a difference between that. The date format has been totally changed. You can customize, you can define it as per your need. There are a lot of date formats available over here. Same as you can define your time formats like this. Just save changes and see what has been come out. Now as you are seeing here, the date format and the time format has been totally changed. Look at. So these are the basic. So in default I just week start on. You can define this one also, but I don't think so this is a need. Basically this is the second one, the site language. Yeah, this is very important. You can define your WordPress site or a blog in any language you want, which the languages has been defined over here. As you are seeing over here, there are a lot of languages in the drop menu. So let me change in a language, Portuguese. So let's see. As you are seeing, the whole site, as your admin panel also has been changed in that language, and apart from that, your website also changed in that language. Okay, as you are seeing the comment section in the below footer area of your post and pages, this all has been changed in a language which I just selected a few seconds back. Even your comment section also. So this is up to you what language you are defined, but the language you are just defined, the whole site, and you're even as you are seeing the left corner of your website, admin panel of your WordPress, all language has been changed from English to Portugal. So let me change it by default in my language. That's all. This is a default language, English, as you are seeing over here. So that's all. Thank you.